This is so incredible! The crowds that gather in front of the clock to see if it strikes the hour are very large. As you can see, OMG! This is a massive crowds, guys. This is so incredible. So for today, guys, we're gonna walk from the old town square of Prague towards to the astronomical clock. And look at those beautiful statues. It's amazing, guys. And guys, walking up to the Prague Castle, this is the spectacular view that you will find. It's very beautiful, guys. So I really recommend to visit here. If you're in Prague, you must visit this place and do not miss it. It's wonderful, incredible, very stunning. It's very beautiful, guys.
So happy to be here.
And guys, we're gonna walk from the old town square of Prague. It's a very beautiful place to walk around, guys. And we're gonna walk towards to the astronomical clock to witness the beautiful, massive experience. It's gonna be an incredible experience to see with the famous astronomical clock in Prague. The astronomical clock, guys, is a genius, fascinating masterpiece. It's not just a clock, but it's a calendar and even more. I highly recommend that. I would encourage the visitors to understand its component and think how brilliantly it was designed centuries ago. And this time, guys, we're gonna witness the show of the lively astronomical clock in Prague. It's incredible, guys. The wooden figures of apostles with their attributes appear in the window every hours, while at the same time some of the sculptures begin to move. And this is so amazing, guys. The parade of the apostles, an amazing show of 4 figures which include a skeleton with a bell and 3 figures representing greediness, lust, and vanity. And this is the show of the astronomical clock watching by the world. Well, the astronomical clock show is done. It was really incredible experience to see the famous astronomical clock, guys. It feels it's so amazing. It's incredible. And the old town square where the clock is, oh my god, it's massive crowd you see around. It's really amazing. The worldwide crowd is there waiting for the clock to show. It's beautiful, guys. It's very beautiful. And you see the massive crowd, guys, waiting for the astronomical clock show. It's incredible, guys.